Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will add weapon ADS and weapon bobbing. Before that, we will add a skybox. So I will just select fantasy skybox. You can download it from asset store for free. It's a free asset, and definitely it has a lot of skyboxes. You can choose your own skybox. I actually chose one skybox from the from lot of skyboxes and applied that, and then I have deleted the extra objects from this nice asset. So we'll go to lighting, rendering, lighting, and then we will go to environment, and then in the environment section we have a skybox field. In the skybox field, we will drag drop our desired skybox, and you can see that skybox is available in our scene. Beautiful. So after adding skybox, we can move further, and I just deleted extra skybox or skyboxes, and then we will create a ADS script, so named with a weapon ADS, and in the weapon ADS script we will just write some important variables like hip position, aim position. So this weapon ADS script is used if you want to use a sniper with a mesh of scope with a mesh. And currently you can see that we have implemented a scope with the UI, but this is important if you want to create a scope with your scope mesh. So definitely you can create a texture for that, and with the extra camera, and then that camera will be rendered in that texture, like we have learned in the minimap tutorials. So in this way your scope will be visible in the scope mesh. Currently we are using UI, and I'm happy with the UI. In our asset which we are using FPS weapon with hand, the mesh is actually rigged, so even the scope mesh is also rigged with the whole gun. So it's very difficult to implement a scope in a cleaner way inside the mesh of the scope. So that's why I'm using the UI scope method, which looks also good, and we are good to go with that. So now you can see that we have ADS settings here, and I have added the script on ADS folder, and you can see that we can tweak these settings. So here is a hip position and the center position. So you have to select the same position which we have selected for the idle position, and just paste the values here. And for the hip position on the x-axis we need 0, so gun will be in the center of the screen. So definitely it's not visible now, but if you want to implement this sniper with mesh, then ADS weapon ADS is a useful script. Now we'll add a weapon bobbing script. It will give us a realistic feel to our gun, and it will add a little bobbing to our gun, which will be very nice. For that we have added a bob speed, bob amount, and after that we have also created some more variables like start position of bobbing, and then we have included the player movement script and sniper weapon script. Then in the start function we will get the start position at the position of a weapon itself, and then we will include the player movement script in the start function by getting the component, and also we will pick the weapon sniper weapon in the start function. Then in the update function we will say that if a player is null, then we will return, and if a weapon is not null and a weapon is zoomed, then we will actually apply the bobbing then we will return the values, because we already have tweaked and we have already have added the sway movement in sniper, so we don't need the bobbing in that condition. So while we will snipe, we don't need bobbing, and in the normal move, if we are moving, then we will actually apply the bobbing. So it will give us a nice movement to our weapon, and it will look much more realistic than before. So definitely I will show you the last result in the end of this video. So now you can see that we are actually adding if player is moving, then we will get the float x values, and in the float x values we are adding the bob speed, and we are applying the math f dot sine theta, and in the other case on the y position we are using cos theta, and we are also multiplying the bob speed with 2, and this amount you can definitely increase or decrease as per your need, but I'm using these values as per tested, so you can use the same values and you will get the nice result. And then we are actually getting the last transform location and local position actually, and then else condition is also added, and now we are lerping between local position and start position and bob speed. That's it for this video, and now you can see the result. Okay, so now weapon bobbing and ADS is also added. So now if we play the game, and let's see how it will look like. So now you can see that our game looks very nice. You can see a very nice weapon bobbing as well, and we can walk actually, we can run. Also when we snipe, you can see we have a nice sway as well, and also we can zoom in with the scroll wheel and zoom out with the scroll wheel. So that's perfect, everything is working perfect. Our main FPS controller is almost ready, and now we can actually move to next step. So that's it for this video. Next video we'll move further. Goodbye.